In this video, I will be solving the lastChars problem of the String-1 section. Here is the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement now. Given two strings A and B, return a new string made of the first character of A and the last character of B. So Yo and Java yields Ya, made up from Y and A. If either string is having length as 0, use @ for its missing character. So in the lastChars method, we will be given two strings A and B, and we are supposed to return a new string which will be result of the first character from string A and last character from string B. Let's try to study the examples. When A is last and B is scarce, so the first character of A is L and last character of scarce is S. Hence, LS is the result. With Yo and Java, the result is YA or Ya, because taking Y from the first or A and A from the B, we get YA. Third is a special case. Third example, in which A is high but B is an empty string, and it has been mentioned if either string length is 0, use @ for its missing char. So from the first string A, we can safely extract out the first character, which is H, but for the second string, we will have to substitute the @ for the missing char, hence H @ will be the result. So we know one thing, whenever we are having any string, any non-empty string such as hello, to show the first and last character or extract the strings as first and last character, what we do is string first will be nothing but str.substring from 0 till 1. I need to remove one extra brace, yes. And similarly, string last or end will be nothing but string.substring, and it will just start from str.length minus 1. So if I now print out first space last, so I shall be getting H and O. This is the way of extracting the first and last strings from the given string str. But since here the string A and B can also be empty string, so we need to take care of that, and instead of using the substring, we need to append or make the result as @. Because if we go ahead and make use of substring on an empty string, then we will be getting string index out of bounds exception. So it's quite simple. First of all, we will be checking the length of both the strings, len of A and len of B. If it's equal to 0, then the result will be nothing but @. But if it's not 0 in case of A, then it will be first character. Similar logic will be followed for B, but here just instead of first character, we will be extracting out the last character. And once we have determined the front and the end, we can just return front plus end. So let's now start coding. We can maintain two variables to store the lengths of respective length of A and B. A len is equal to A dot len and B len is equal to B dot len. String front, or the first part, that is this part, YLH, it is dependent on A's length. So we need to make sure we are checking, is a length is equal to 0? If this is the case, then it means a is an empty string. Hence the result will be @. And if it's not the case, or if this boolean is false, it means we can safely go ahead and extract the first character from the a string. So we will be writing 0 from 0 till 1. Similarly, we can extract the end after checking whether b is empty or not. If b is empty, then again we make use of symbol only. But if it's not the case, also, as we have extracted the variables, we can make use of them. Yes. Yes. Since it's not non-empty, so we can go ahead and make use of this code. This will give us the last character. And now we just need to return front plus. Let me remove the extra line and try to execute the test cases. All of them are passing. Now let me submit this code on the platform. Working fine. And push it on GitHub. And verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.